Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, connecting institutions. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. And by the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price of XPR Network and Metal at the time of the recording, guys. So this is XPR Network. Let us look into the yearly what is happening. So guys, this yearly support over here, which we talked about, the magnet point, the 1 cent mark has been broken through the entire market. Most of the coins, guys, if not all, are in red, guys. XPR is no different. So basically, it is down 11.84% in the year. Basically, we have given away the profits that we had made if we haven't sold. But guys, obviously, as the saying goes, you are in a loss if you sell. In crypto, time and again, it has proven right. Most hodls, if done in good projects, they tend to basically be profitable in the long run, for sure. So XPR is no different, guys. It has a lot of potential. Only $22 million market cap at the moment. Although in the entire market is bloody at the moment. The volume of XPR is down 36.94%. If we look at the monthly chart, it is down 23%. You can see that it looks like a free fall over here ever since it broke the 1 cent support, the 1 cent psychological barrier, the psychological level in this last 7 days as well, guys. It is down 21.85%. And if we look at the daily, although it has rebounded a bit towards this magnet point in the daily, 0.0087. Metal is no different, guys, although I think that overall metal hasn't suffered as much as XPR. It is up 0.11% in the last 7 days. It is down only 7.81% in the last month. If we look at the yearly, it is though it is down 31%, but guys, it is still basically it hasn't broken the yearly supports over here. It was already a bit down, so this is why as well. But we are now in crucial territory, guys. We have got really good. We have got a support in at 4.5 cent mark almost, guys. This is a really great support at 4 cent as well. If we look at the all-time chart, it is extremely undervalued, guys. Metal 1.5 being a all-time high according to CMC. If we look at it over here, let me show you. Yeah, so metal according to CMC is down 97.14% since its all-time highs, and only, guys, only 21.1% up since its all-time lows. So awesome potential if you truly believe in it. Why, guys? Because it is indeed trying to connect with institutions and trying to basically build a really great foundation over here, and they've got a really good vision. If they truly succeed and achieve what they claim to achieve, basically what they claim to want to achieve, if that sounds right. Anyways, check this out. Marshall Hayner has reposted. I really like the updates that Marshall Hayner gives, and the way he is active. I've seen a lot of CEOs, the founders, the team leaders, guys. They are not as active as Marshall. They do not post as often. Marshall Hayner reposts a lot of stuff and is active as well. We've seen his interviews and a lot of stuff that he does. So guys, check this out. This is June 17th, latest Metal blockchain. We are pleased to announce our first quarterly meet and greet this afternoon. This event provides an important opportunity for the Metal blockchain team and Metallicus executives to connect with our institutional partners. So basically, the Metallicus team and Metallicus wants to connect with their institutional partners. We will be discussing collaborative initiatives for the banking innovation program. So guys, they want to discuss the banking innovation program, and meanwhile simultaneously they're connecting these institutions as well with one another and with themselves as well. They will be discussing what innovations they will be providing to the banking sector, guys. With several new members joining, this meeting is set to be our largest yet. We look forward to productive discussions and advancing our shared goals. So let's see how this meet and greet goes. However it is, we will try to discuss it in a video. So what else do we have over here? We had a really good post over here as well. Yeah, this was it, guys. A really good post, June 15th, sort of an article, guys. One AZ Credit Union joins Metal Blockchain Banking Innovation Program, guys. So San Francisco, June 11th, 2024. Metallicus, the core developer of Metal Blockchain as well as XPR Network, guys, a foundational Layer 0 blockchain, today announced One AZ Credit Union's enrollment in its Banking Innovation Program. This move signifies One AZ Credit Union's proactive approach to investigating blockchain technology's potential and harnessing Metallicus' expertise to elevate its technological prowess. So, but guys, obviously, Metallicus is trying to leverage blockchain and use it to its full potential. And One AZ Credit Union has joined its banking innovative program. So, One AZ Credit Union joining our banking innovative program signifies a crucial advancement in our quest to innovate the financial sector with blockchain technology, expressed Franz Mazza. Who is Franz Mazza? He's the director of blockchain for institutions and fintechs at Metallicus. So, guys, the key terms being institutions and fintechs. Metallicus team wants to connect them. They want to basically provide use case for these institutions, these fintechs. We're eager to collaborate with One AZ Credit Union, offering them the tools and resources to champion innovation and navigate the ever-shifting financial landscape. By joining the Blockchain Innovation Program, we're committing. So basically, this is the president and CEO of One AZ Credit Union. So let's see what he's saying, guys. So according to the president of One AZ Credit Union, by joining the Blockchain Innovation Program, we're committing to exploring how we can leverage blockchain technology. Like I told you guys, these all institutions want to leverage blockchain technology, and Metallicus obviously wants to use it to provide solutions to set a new standard of excellence for our members, expressed Brendan Michaels, the president and CEO of One AZ Credit Union. So, guys, this is Sandeep Utra, EVP and Chief Technology Officer. He added that we are thrilled to be part of this innovation ecosystem. Partnering with Metal Blockchain will help us accelerate the development of our next generation of banking solutions. We look forward to reimagining the banking technology by collaborating and innovating in blockchain technology as part of the Metal Blockchain's Banking Innovation Program. So, guys, Metallicus and the Metallicus ecosystem, they want to totally transform banking, transform blockchain, and how they aim to do it, guys. They want to tackle, they want to basically provide solutions and want to disrupt areas and provide use cases around digital identity, single sign-on, SSO, private subnets, tokenization of assets, and more. So, guys, this banking program, it equips participants with the tools and resources needed to drive profitability, lower costs, reduce risks, and deliver unparalleled customer experiences. So, guys, this is great. The Metallicus ecosystem, Metallicus really wants to change the game. One more thing, guys, I want to check is what is One AZ Credit Union? Let me check this out. One AZ Credit Union. Yeah, let us look into this. So this is their website. 1AZ Credit Union. Open. Yeah. So guys, this is 1AZ Credit Union. They are basically providing services in the banking sector, checking, savings, IRAs, open an account, online banking, loans, mortgage, home equity, auto, refinance, instant offers. So, guys, imagine how they can leverage Metal blockchain and the Metallicus ecosystem, Metallicus products, and it can be huge, guys. Wealth management, business, contact us, new account, help, location. So let us look into the locations. Where is 1AZ Credit Union located? Find 1AZ branch. 1AZ Credit Union will be closed. So yeah, Phoenix. This is really good, guys. I really like what they're doing. So yeah, Phoenix, Arizona, I think. Phoenix again, Glendale. A lot of locations, guys. It is basically a bank, and Metallicus is trying to basically provide them solutions. New auto APR for 48 months. Do it all with the 1AZ mobile banking app. So basically, obviously, this is a bank. So really good, guys. I really like what the Metallicus ecosystem is doing. So this is good. We exist to truly improve the lives of our members, our associates. This is really great, guys. So, guys, what do you guys think about XPR Network? XPR Network and Metal Blockchain and the entire Metallicus ecosystem. I really think that it is really undervalued, and I think they have really great potential. And like I told you guys, if they achieve what they want to achieve, guys, because a lot of projects we've seen, any project can succeed, any project can fail. But XPR has a really good vision. It has got good connections. Marshall is active. Things are looking good. So besides the price, that is, the price has been bad in the entire market. So it will rise eventually. At least the good projects will rise. So what do you guys think about the Metallicus ecosystem and them connecting these institutions and providing them with solutions? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. So anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.